Make a great choice today with the 2016 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, running boards, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, privacy glass, speed control, front-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.